Can you see yourself in the 2019 Jeep Cherokee? With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Cherokee, the stylish midsize SUV with sleek lines, ample cargo capacity, rich interior appointments, and advanced technology that keeps you safe and secure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, power liftgate, remote engine start, fog lamps. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.